Artillery is a heavy weapon that modern warfare cannot do without, and it can be found in all branches of the military, sea, land, and air. Despite the excitement of artillery firing, maintaining the combat effectiveness of artillery by cleaning the barrel has always been a nightmare for artillerymen. Early muzzle-loading artillery required frequent cleaning of the barrel because black powder was used for firing at that time, leaving a lot of residue in the bore after firing. Often, a worm was used to remove the residue from the bore before the next shot, and then a wet sponge was used to further clean the barrel. This also helped to extinguish any potential sparks and prevent accidents during loading. This operation required the gunners to clean the barrel before each shot, which was a helpless move under the technical conditions at the time. The situation changed with the appearance of early breech-loading artillery, and the use of rifling. With breech loading, not every shot required cleaning of the barrel, as the forward-flying projectile during firing would push the residue into the grooves of the rifling. In addition, with improvements in the propellant, the residue from firing was reduced, and artillery did not need to be cleaned in battle. Artillery at this time still used muzzle cleaning, and large-caliber naval guns and fortress guns needed to be lowered at the muzzle to facilitate the insertion of the cleaning rod into the barrel. One thing people may have noticed is that there are very few photos of battleship main guns being cleaned. The photo shows the battleship Schleswig-Holstein cleaning the No. 1 turret gun in February 1940. In fact, battleship main guns do not need to be cleaned as frequently as conventional main guns, mainly due to advances in propellant technology, which reduces the residue produced after firing. Another important reason is that the lifespan of the artillery barrel is short, often only a few hundred rounds, and the real wear and tear on the barrel occurs when the projectile leaves the barrel. Such a precious thing needs to be used carefully, and with less use, the cleaning work naturally becomes less. The photo shows the battleship Oklahoma cleaning the barrel, taken in 1916, with a main gun caliber of 356 mm. This work is not easy, as the gun barrel cannot be lowered enough, and sailors have to push the cleaning rod in bit by bit, which requires a lot of physical effort. The longer-lived secondary guns or the main guns of medium-sized and small warships require more cleaning and maintenance. The photo shows the destroyer Arleigh Burke in June 1944, when the ship was engaged in shelling during the Normandy landings, with spent shell casings scattered on the deck, and sailors starting to clean the 4.7-inch main gun barrels after the battle, which is relatively easy to clean. Today, surface warships have abandoned large-caliber guns and installed more medium and small-caliber rapid-fire guns, making the cleaning work for these guns relatively easier. They are equipped with special cleaning kits, and some even have dedicated mechanical cleaning equipment that can be operated by 1 or 2 people. Unlike surface warships, the number and scale of artillery equipment in the Army are much larger, with artillery being the primary combat weapon for towed artillery, self-propelled howitzers, tanks, self-propelled anti-aircraft guns, and tank destroyers. Small-caliber artillery is relatively easy to clean, as shown in the photo of tank crew cleaning a 2-pound gun, which has a caliber of only 40 mm. Just look at the condition of these 3 people, and you can see how exhausting the work is. The intensity of labor is directly proportional to the caliber of the gun. The photo shows the crew cleaning the M1 main battle tank gun, which is equipped with a 120 mm smoothbore gun. Its cleaning work is slightly easier than that of a rifled gun, but the long cleaning rod still requires a joint effort by the crew to operate. Today, many countries have developed their own automatic cleaning tools for artillery. The photo shows the electric MG 7155 gun barrel cleaning kit, which is designed for a 155 mm howitzer. It is equipped with different cleaning brush heads, and even with such a highly automated device, the cleaning work still takes half an hour to complete, so manual operation is obviously very labor-intensive. New equipment also means spending money, so in fact, very few countries have equipped themselves with automatic cleaning devices. Manual cleaning is the main method, and in various military exercises, it is common to see the hard-pressed gun crews pushing the cleaning rods into the gun barrels.